Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be scrapbooking this picture of my grandson, and he has one of those alien costumes, and it was just so funny watching him run around. And I had a hard time finding a picture of him where he was where he wasn't moving. I mean, it was just so funny to watch that it's like I have to confess I just kept videotaping him, and then my pictures of him were pretty bad. And so for this one here where his twin is in the photo also, and so I thought, well, she kind of looks like she's trying to help him, and he's having this alien abduction. So anyhow, I found this paper, and this was from a paper pad, and I'm not sure what paper pad it's from. I mean, if y'all know, leave it down below. It's got like paint, like little paint dashes on the back, and then it looks like this here. It actually, in the paper pad, it was like this, but I thought this looks like grass. This kind of looks like maybe fall trees, and I'm gonna have him, like he's being taken up into the spaceship. Oh, also, this is one of those papers where the hole is too low, and so it's like almost a whole 1/8 of an inch I had to cut off. So, or it's an 1/8 of an inch short, approximately. So, anyhow, I cut a piece of vellum, and this is gonna represent the how like when they show people getting abducted in movies, it's like this beam of light coming out of a spaceship. So I have this spaceship, and I'm gonna put it maybe a little to the left of the middle, just because of my title. So I think I'm gonna put it, maybe right here. I think that should do it. Okay. And then I'm gonna put some tape right in the middle because it will be covered up, and maybe a little glue, or maybe one of those little dots. I think this probably would work good. And I'm gonna put that, okay, on this side. Make sure I got it right where it's supposed to be. Okay, so I'm gonna put that on there. Let's see if I can leave it there. Okay, yep. Okay, and I'm just gonna have it kind of look like it's shooting out of that little hole there. Oh, and it could come down just a little bit more, so I'm going to bring it down just a little bit. Okay, so that's good there. So it's going to be off the paper just a little bit, but hopefully that won't be an issue. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so I'm going to stick him right in the middle. I already think it looks cool. And let me show you. You can kind of see the dot, but I think that's okay. This is kind of what I kept thinking when I thought about scrapbooking this or one of the photos. Okay, so it looks like he's being, taken up, pumpkin first. Okay, and then these are the stickers from formerly known as the Dollar Tree. So it's like I'm gonna be using this, and this, just those three. And I really bought it for this and this because that's what I had in mind, but I thought I wanted to use 3 because things are more pleasing to the eye in 3. So I'm gonna have him kind of standing by this picture, He looks like he's waving. Otherwise, he's maybe telling this guy, you know, where he needs to show up for this to take Aiden up. And you know, since Alex is so close, she might be sucked right up too. And so I'm going to put that here. That way I've got my 3 points of interest for embellishments. And I'm going to call this Going Up. And just make it look like the little alien is saying it. And these are, I think they were thickers. They're orange on, you know, the side, and I guess the back, and then the black glitter. And I just think they are the most awesome Halloween stickers ever. And I got them at Tuesday morning, so I don't know, I hope I can find these again. I just love them. Okay, and so I'm gonna put this eye right here. I just think this is so cute. And you know how I hate to do these on camera, but it won't be too bad since I only have 7 letters. An exclamation point. And now my letters are kind of, I don't have too many letters left to make words, but I'm gonna try to use them because I love them. Is this the, oh, this is the capital G. Okay, I think. Oh, maybe they're both the same. Oh yeah, I think they're both capitals. Okay, I guess it didn't matter. Okay, I think that's good. Okay, and then I've got some little stars. Now, you can't run the spaceship into stars. We know that from what was it? Star Wars, because Han Solo, he always had to, you know, set his warp 6 or whatever. And who was it from Star Wars that Harrison Ford played? Was he Han Solo?
No.
Who was he? I thought he was Han Solo, or is that the guy from Star Trek? I don't know, but they would always have to be careful not to hit the stars. So I'm gonna have it there, and then kind of put the stars in various places, but not have it where the ship would hit the stars. You need to find out who Harrison Ford was. He had a name that didn't sound like him. That's what was funny. I think it was Han Solo. In spite of what you think. That's good. And these are just little wooden stars I have. And then this is some of that paper that I used to cut stars out of for the Dancing Queen. Okay, so on this side, and I used up all my little wooden stars. And so I'm just sprinkling them around, trying to make them look, you know, random. That pretend randomness. Oh, that one's broken on that side. I need to flip it over. Okay. Now where was that glue? Right here? Okay, I knew that one side of one of them looked like it was kind of chipped. Okay. I love this paper for this. I didn't know what I was going to use. I kept pulling out greens, and I knew there was one that had the streaks in them that was different colors, but I couldn't remember exactly what it looked like because I almost pulled it out for something else one day. So I think this is perfect. I love how it looks. So that is it. I think it turned out awesome, and I will have close-ups at the end. And thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.